Hey everyone, this is Will from PowerTraders.com. Today, guys, I'll be doing our regular weekly analysis on the U.S. indices. So we're currently looking at S&P 500 futures right now, and let's jump in. So, as you guys know, S&P 500 has been trading in this really nice channel since last year. Let's go back here. Since pretty much October, November last year, it's been trading in this nice channel, and of course, we've had a breakout. Bearish breakout here back in September, October. We had a bit of a sell-off. We were down, I think, roughly around 6%, 6.3, 6.2, and so far we're off, and we've recovered this entire sell-off here. And on top of that, we've managed to set series of new all-time highs, as you guys can see here. So let's see. Let's go a little bit closer to see how's the pullback. Oh, sorry, the comeback's playing out. So you guys can see here, we want to see price enter into this trend again, right? That's the scenario we want. That's the bullish scenario we want. But so far, price, you can see here, is kind of consolidating right below this channel, as you guys can see here. So what do I think is going to happen? Of course, we got rejected here and here. Maybe we'll see a bullish breakout finally in the coming days, taking us back into this channel, trading in this bullish trend. On the other hand, we could also get rejected, right? So we could come back down here, get rejected here, and then kind of come back down here, maybe trade sideways for out. Maybe we'll come back down to this level here, right? This is kind of like the breakout level, setting new all-time high. So this level here is obviously important. I won't be surprised at all that will come back down to this level before we're zooming back off. But nonetheless, what price is telling us is we're kind of just trading just below this channel, right? This is kind of like the range we're in, and until we decisively break this level here, right? Until then, we're just kind of consolidating here. On the NASDAQ looks more bullish than S&P 500. So of course we had this sell-off here, right? I said that this line will be critical for the NASDAQ, and we did saw two attempts where we were below it, but you know, the buyers jumped back in, and of course pushing price back up. The NASDAQ has been quite clean also in terms of the technical levels. You know, we came back up, we had a retest here, and then we kind of resume off. Now we're coming up to some resistance level right here and here. So keep an eye on these two levels in the coming days, coming weeks. We'll come back up here. Maybe we'll get rejected like we have in the past. You know, we didn't break above this level till here, right? And every single time we got rejected, price came back down to test support, right? So what I'm saying is we could come back up here, get rejected, maybe come back, test this level here, this level here. We could either trade sideways for a while, or maybe we'll just come back up to set new all-time highs. We'll see, guys. But the NASDAQ definitely looking more bullish than the S&P 500. Russell also looking quite bullish, right? We're coming back up to these resistance level up here, and we're on the verge of setting new all-time highs on the Russell 2000. If we close above this candle today, I think that would look incredibly bullish, because that would just leave us with this final resistance level before, you know, Russell 2000 enters a price discovery. Would you short here? You know, because in the past, every time we come back up here, we get, you know, a bit of a sell-off, right? So the question does come, is this an attractive level to short? And I have been thinking about it, but everything seems really bullish, right? S&P is really bullish. Imagine if S&P comes back above this channel, you know, it goes like that, starts trading in this channel. What do you think is going to happen to Russell? Most likely it's going to get a breakout. So I don't know, and I'll show you guys the economic calendar. This week is going to be very volatile. So for those of you guys who are looking to short the Russell based on this technical pattern, right? This week may be interesting because there's so much volatility coming out this week. I'll show you guys the economic calendar in a second, but let's go through Dow Jones first. Dow Jones saw a breakout, which is great, right? We came back up here, consolidated here for a few days, and then finally seems like we're having a breakout, right? Price discovery on the Dow Jones looking pretty interesting. There's obviously not a lot, well, there's no resistance level up here, so it's hard to say where price could go when we'll get a pullback. I do think there is still a bit more momentum to go. I won't be surprised if we come back down to this level here and kind of get a retest before we're zooming back off, right? So keep a close eye on the Dow Jones. So let's go through the economic calendar. This week is quite action-packed, guys. Let me show you guys what I mean. So we started off Monday with ISM, some US dollar auctions, and then on Wednesday we got non-farm employment change, trade balance, and then of course you got FOMC statement and the interest rate decision. Obviously a lot of this stuff is already priced in, the FOMC stuff, but usually you never know. The statement could bring some sort of volatility, something the market didn't expect. So Wednesday, definitely a day to keep an eye on, right? We got non-farm payroll employment on top, trade data, as well as FOMC stuff. And to top that off, on Thursday, of course, we got our initial jobless claim, right? So that's gonna be pretty interesting. And then Friday, we got non-farm payrolls, unemployment rate, right? So Wednesday, quite action-packed. Thursday, quite action-packed, as well as Friday. So definitely stay sharp this week, guys. Starting tomorrow, we got a lot of potential catalysts coming to the market. Maybe we see some sort of move. So let's see what happens. Again, a lot of these indexes, for example, S&P is trading just above a key resistance level, right? NASDAQ looking pretty bullish. Russell, just like S&P, also just trading below a really major resistance level, right? And of course, Dow Jones, entering price discovery. All right, anyways, hope you guys enjoyed this video. Just as I mentioned earlier, pretty action-packed week this week, guys. So definitely keep a close eye on the market. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more content.